So welcome back to my channel. This is Aniket Mins and you're watching AZ15, the YouTube channel, and today we are heading towards Digha. So we are actually in Lalpur. We are actually crossing Lalpur, and I told you before that the vlog started from the wrong place actually, because we had to give some stuffs to one person. So it's 7:30 right now, as you can see here, and actually we are moving. He is Praveen and he is Nilesh. Nilesh is a pillion today and Praveen is riding his RS. And I thought that actually I thought that I should make vlogs in English, because some of my, not subscribers I guess, because I don't have too much subscribers, so some of my friends, those who are from South and from other places, those who don't understand Hindi, like Meghalaya, South, actually from many places I have friends, so they don't understand Hindi much. So I thought that I should make my vlogs in English. Okay, so we'll get fueled up here now. So we have just fueled up our tank and I did my tank full, and now we are heading towards like Jamshedpur. So this is actually Loadi. We have crossed Loadi and heading towards Jamshedpur, the Jamshedpur road. They are waiting for me actually, I guess. Yep, they are waiting for me. Actually, I was trying to tell you that we are going to Digha, and Digha is almost like 300 something kilometers, and 300 kilometers is the first time for me actually in this bike, because I have never done 300 plus kilometers in this bike, and today I'm totally gonna use the extreme of this bike, I guess, because this is just a 150cc and 300 kilometers. It is actually showing that it's 7 hours from here, but actually it's Google shows it for the average speed of like 60 kilometers. That when I'll get to a highway, then we'll almost drive in like 70 to 80. Oh, bus drivers, drive carefully, man. You're killing innocent animals. It's like 114 kilometers. Back it said, so we covered 1 kilometer right now. So now we are entering in the Jamshedpur highway, and I don't know where this one goes, but actually this one is the road for Jamshedpur, and this is my first interstate travel from a bike. I never did a interstate travel with a bike. I did like Netarhat and all, that is in Jharkhand. I didn't went outside Jharkhand with a bike. Now this is the first time for me, so it's my first experience. So anyone who want to go outside Jharkhand, want to have the first experience, you want to know that how is the first experience of going out of Jharkhand in a bike ride, do watch this video and you will be updated with more stuff.
Heaven just knows what it wants. Will I go back to the place where I belong? Everyone could break my
I'm doing an open highway cruising of like 101, 104, 105. I didn't revved it off to the fullest now. If I'll rev it off to the fullest, it will go till 11. Oh my god, I did the 11 one. After this is the first time that I've done 11 after upsizing my tire. You know, these two stuffs, these mirrors are very important, man. You know, first I never used to put these mirrors actually, because I had to look cool. I don't know that that was cool at that time, back 2 years. But now I know the use of these two mirrors, and now I choose safety first rather than like looking cool or something. Oh my god, look at that beauty, bro. Just look at it, bro. Damn, you see this? You see these? Huh? ये ब्यूटी देखते देखते ही टकराते ये लोग. Okay. Let's focus in our ride because oh my goodness, I can't resist this beauty, but focus on right. Damn, who's there? So we have come here to eat something, and I don't know what, Hotel Panchvati. And so this is the Hotel Panchvati, and I think that this is the perfect place that we can have our short breakfast.
Everyone could break my heart, but I try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. You'll be my pleasure.
So you can see these vehicles are coming from the wrong side of the track. Actually, there is other lane is that side, but these bus and cars are coming from this side. So let me tell you that while you go to Jamshedpur, there are many divisions actually. So they are using this lane. So be careful. Don't ride right side of your lane, because you can see these kind of buses and all, they try to overtake and give only little space for us to like drive. So be careful and safety first. I am facing a hell lot of wind blast because you know that I don't have any windshield over here, this windshield, so I'm having a lot of wind blast. That's an issue for me, man. You can still see fog over there in these places, so you can know that it's still chilly, still cold. Oh, mountains, freedom. I wish I could drive this bike for a very long time. Almost gonna reach Jamshedpur, but actually I'm not feeling any pain on my shoulders, man. I don't know why. This is for the first time I'm riding this bike and I'm not feeling any pain on my shoulders. I don't know why. Maybe I'll feel it later, but actually I'm not feeling. If I'm comfortable to ride this bike, then if I take an adventure tourer, definitely I'll be so much comfortable in that, man. So much comfortable in that. I wanna reach Digha as fast as possible, but this bike goes at the average speed of freaking 70, so I can't rev it more. Like, this bike has a cruising speed of almost like 50 to 60, and 50 to 60 is not enough for me for a tourer actually. but actually it gives good mileage, man. No doubt in that. Oh, careful, bro. Okay, careful, man. Careful, my riders back there, but they're way back there. Right? They can't even like hear me. That's why Bluetooth intercom is necessary, man, to tell the people that there are potholes up in the front. Please come carefully. There is no intercom, and they'll go in the pothole, and there is no trip. Damn, that's good. So we have crossed Jamshedpur. Not crossed, actually, we are crossing Jamshedpur right now. Oh my goodness. So we are crossing Jamshedpur right now, and we are looking for a place to, like, little bit, we'll take rest a little bit because we are riding continuously for a very long time. It's definitely short for you because you are in a video and I'm actually driving. So oh, finally good roads, man. I love good roads. Past few hours we were driving in a very patchy road and fully covered with mud, dust. Again back into the tarmac, man. That's so good. So nice to rev now. I can feel the air going inside my jacket a little bit and I'm feeling comfortable. I think I'll take the winter liner after that, after a halt, the next halt actually. So this is a small place that we have been. It's like a little bit like 50 to 60 meters away, like inside from the main highway. So this is the like hotel, and I told you that I was gonna show you that how I packed my luggage. So here is this one bag, these are the saddle bags, this is the tank bag. So like this how I have packed my luggage. So it's quite good, and you can see that there is no support that I've given, and this is the bungee cord that I've just tied up so that this thing can't go inside and touch this tire. And this is Praveen's bike, which is quite simple, and he tied his bag right here. So we are again back out from that place. So you can see actually how much behind I am of them. They are that far and I'm this far from them. I'm just giving the full throttle and my bike is still in 90 and 93 just because of the luggage that I'm carrying along with me. Okay, oh my goodness, they are very freaking far from me. Hope that I reach. बहुत पीछे है भाई. I know there is a bad patch over there. I wish I could turn back time to the good old days. First time ever I'm driving on a highway patch like this. A total highway. Now I know that my bike is underpowered, because going to Netarhat, going to Gumla and all from Ranchi was not a big deal because they don't have this good road, bro. They don't have these good road. So I probably didn't understand that it's an underpowered bike, but today I'm really feeling that this is an underpowered bike. No problem, but I like it because I'm spending much more less money in petrol than they are. Oh, so this was the hotel that we Billu the Dhaba. Okay, so this was the hotel that dhaba that we had our lunch at, and we are getting ready to continue our ride. We are doing actually too much stays, which is actually not good, but we have to, because there is a new rider among us who is not used to the situations and he has to stop a lot. So let's just start with the ride again.
The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. You'll be my pleasure.
अभी हुआ ना? Oh my god, this just happened right now. Shit man. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's totally village. I don't know why we took this route, man.